So in this video, we are asked to find the x-intercept of the graph of r of x equals m over x minus 3 plus n over x plus 3. The x-intercept is the x value that makes the whole thing equal to 0. So we're going to start by setting this thing equal to 0. There's a couple different ways after that we can go about solving it. Probably the easiest thing to do is to multiply both sides by the least common denominator and get rid of the fractions. Least common denominator is x minus 3 times x minus 3 times x plus 3. So I'm going to do that on both sides. So now here it's times 0, so this just ends up being 0. That's why it works out so nice. Here, look at what's going to happen. We're going to have m times x minus 3 times x plus 3 over x minus 3 plus n times, looks like I put that too close, x minus 3 times x plus 3 over x plus 3. You got to remember to distribute that to both pieces. But here's what works out nice. The x minus 3's cancel. The x plus 3's cancel. So I have m times x plus 3 plus n times x minus 3 equals 0. Now I'm trying to solve for x, and I have two of them in there. That means I need to get both terms with x in it on the same side, anything without x on the other, which means I need to distribute in both cases. So m times x plus 3m plus n times x minus 3n. Alright, these two terms have x in them, so I'm going to leave them on the left-hand side. I'm going to move the other two to the right-hand side. So that's going to leave me with mx plus nx. I'm going to add 3n and subtract 3m from both sides to get them over to the other side here. The reason I do that is because now I can factor x out on the left-hand side times m plus n equals 3n minus 3m. And lastly, I'm going to divide both sides by m plus n. And there's my x. Now, I know it can be very tempting to cancel out these m's and these n's. You cannot, because they are not factors. There's our final answer, which is D, given as a point.